All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. We are T-minus Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, 4 days to our craft show. And I've got the latest bandsaw boxes. Look up the series. I linked them all into a series. Bandsaw boxes, basically a clump of wood of some shape, size, or form that you make into what you see here, which is not your typical designs. These are right out of my head, and I've had a lot of fun making them. So these are going to be at our craft show coming up this Saturday. Now, the thing is, I only have a few days left, and with a little more proper prior planning, I could have used either my tung oil finish or this here clear lacquer. What I chose to go with is, and I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, Howard Feed and Wax, Beeswax Orange Oil. Now, this one here, as far as the most natural ingredients, that's the winner right there. And so you can see at the moment, we're outside and it's about 86 and a barking dog next door. And it's soaking in here really, really nice. Okay, we have various species of wood. Let's see here. We got solid oak. That came from a solid oak stump that otherwise would have ended up in somebody's bonfire, which is also good use, but there you go. This here is, I think, poplar joined up, and it was boring as all get out. Look what came of it. This drawer here goes in there, and this drawer here goes in there. Look at the shape. That was a solid block cut out from this unit here. So there you go. Sorry for moving the camera too quick there. So you have to decide. I'll put links in the bottom of the video for these three products that I typically use. I'll tell you, I don't use polyurethane. It just takes too long, and it's very fussy to get it done right. It takes a lot of work. This here, you wipe it on, okay, it soaks in, you buff it out. If you need more, put some more on, but it's going to dry relatively quick. Tung oil, don't be deceived by the fact that it says tung oil. There's other ingredients inside of this that make it only a certain percent of actual tung oil, okay, and they do that so that it can probably dry faster, because if it were pure tung oil, then it would take quite a while to actually dry. And then you have this here. Believe it or not, I use this guy, this MINWAX Clear Aerosol Lacquer, clear gloss, because it dries in 15 minutes, and I'm ready to sand it again. Okay, so you got to choose what finish you're going to put onto your products, what best suits it, how much time do you really have between coats, you know what I'm saying? These are the types of things. So, stay tuned, and please watch our craft show video this Saturday, where my wife makes amazing things out of cloth. I can't do anything with cloth, but wipe my brow with it. She makes the most amazing things, from wedding dresses, time period pieces for Renaissance, so on and so forth. She's making all these wonderful little things that can be used in the kitchen, some heart-shaped packs, don't know what they're called. Little packs that you put your phone in, just things like this, hair bungees, those types of things. But her skill sets are way beyond those types of things. Thanks for watching this short episode. I'm going to get this up as soon as I can, so you guys can view this. All right, take care. Now, if I come in here, you can see the product is being soaked in. See that bubbling going on there? Pretty cool stuff. It's soaking in the product, and so I'll be able to come back later on and put on another coat. Mind you, I'm a little low on the product, so I got to go pick some up. Take care. We'll do our usual goodbyes for SC Custom Designs YouTube videos. Shalom uvracha, goodbye, and peace on you. Hebrew. I used to live in the Middle East, in Jerusalem and Beit Hanina, an outlying Arab neighborhood, for a little while there, and then I moved to the Mount of Olives, but went to Hebrew University and Ulpans in Israel, all that type of thing. Met all kinds of cultures. What a melting pot Jerusalem is. And then mastalami, it's a good piece of fonio as well. In Arabic, tutsins, Afrikaans, see ya, I think, but it's some kind of goodbye. Zaijian, that is goodbye in Mandarin. Mainland China, Taiwan, perhaps, can get away with that. My accent is probably, my tones are terrible. It's been many years since I lived in Hong Kong and traveled China as well.